Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous video. So guys, as you know, we started a new series which is called Instagram Post Design Course, in which I will teach you how you can create a Instagram post on different niches and sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can also sell this service on offline, or you can also create your own theme page on Instagram and viral your page. So guys, let's get started. So in today's video I will teach you how you can create a Instagram post on parenting. You can search websites on parenting or YouTube channel for which are working on parenting, and offer them your services that you can make a Instagram presence for them with, and also tell them about your charges. In start, I suggest you to take minimal amount, but when you become expert, then go for a high price. So let's get started. We will go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best freelancing platforms, graphic designing tools, from where you can create beautiful graphics without designing knowledge or experience. So let's get started. I will click on create a design. Here I search Instagram, post, portrait, square, portrait. So guys, it is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed. So here I search parenting, and it show me different templates according to parenting. So you can offer these services to different, like YouTube channels, TikTok accounts, Instagram accounts, etc. So I like this one. This is a complete chart. Caring for newborns baby in 5 tips, and these are the tips, like caring for kids in 5 tips, and these are the tips. You can also customize these tips, and but I would like to change the style of the, no, I think it's look good. And you can also add elements like baby. It's not look good, I think it's all okay. So guys, you can also like customize this in this way. You can write your content with ChatGPT and place it here. So guys, the I think that's it. So guys, one more thing you can do is that no, I think it's good. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn through this skill. And you can also sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platform. So guys, I have an announcement for you, that if you want to learn about canva.com, then go to YouTube and search Iron Tech channel, like Iron Tech, and go to this channel and go to playlist. And here you can I uploaded different courses like HTML tutorials, Pinterest marketing, Python mastery course. It will be uploaded, useful websites, and Canva complete Canva designing course. If you want to learn Canva completely, then you can follow this playlist. And now I am now you are watching videos from this playlist, and we started a new course. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.